Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about combining affiliate marketing with the power of simple SEO to make huge affiliate commissions in 2023. Now my name is Grant and I run a six-figure affiliate marketing business, and for over a year now I've been using YouTube and simple YouTube SEO to run my six-figure affiliate marketing business. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the same. Now I think this is one of the most overlooked aspects of affiliate marketing. While some people do sort of promote affiliate marketing or do affiliate marketing on YouTube and promote products, I think a lot of people overlook it because they're focusing on either they don't know about it or don't understand it or put off from it thinking it's going to be too technical. And I think that's a big mistake, because I believe this is one of the biggest opportunities for affiliate marketers out there. And what I'm going to show you is free to do. And you can start generating commissions with this within 24 to 72 hours. In fact, one of the first videos I put up on my YouTube channel started generating sales within 48 hours. And in that time, at times from that very video, I was making up to over $1,000 a day. So this works, is incredibly powerful, and can help you to make a six-figure affiliate marketing business if you follow what I show you. Now, what you see in front of you, this is my YouTube channel. It's called The Investment of a Decade. I've got other YouTube channels I run, but the main purpose of this channel really is to sort of promote affiliate marketing products. So basically how I use YouTube is I generally do product reviews of products I believe in and use, and I think other people would find useful. So if I find a product that I like and I want to endorse it, I'll do a product review of it. And basically what I do once I've recorded the videos of the products, I then sort of optimize these videos and rank these videos to rank for the product keywords. Now, if those products keywords, i.e. the name of a product that people are typing in Google, if they've got decent search volume, then my videos generate a fair bit of buyer traffic. And usually these videos are put out there and ranked for these product terms. The people who are searching for these products want to buy it, or they're very close to buying it. And I just tell basically walk people through the product, and honestly it's some of the easiest commissions I've ever learned, and if you implement what I show you, I think you're going to see incredible success with affiliate marketing. Now, I've run my affiliate or my YouTube channel now probably since December 2021. That's when I really started implementing YouTube. Before that I was mainly doing paid traffic, but I actually took a course with a guy called Paul Murphy, who's a YouTube SEO expert. I was a bit skeptical in the beginning because I've tried YouTube SEO before without a lot of success, but I thought I'd give it a go, and all I will say is the rest is history. It has pretty much changed my business because I don't pay for any of this traffic. I just optimize simple videos to rank on page one for Google and YouTube, rank them, and the commissions roll in. Now, in the past year, I've got up to 2,300 subscribers, because here's the thing, before I get into the video, a lot of people, when they think YouTube, they think, oh, you need thousands or tens of thousands of subscribers. You don't. If you know how to rank simple videos using simple YouTube SEO, you can start ranking for high intent keywords that get you high quality traffic. And the beautiful thing about this, and not many people know about this, I don't really see a lot of people talking about it apart from Paul Murphy. And it's a shame, because I think YouTube is probably one of the best places to do affiliate marketing. So this is my channel. Let me just show you the analytics. Now, what I will say is my channel doesn't get a huge amount of traffic. I get anywhere from 200 to possibly 500 views sort of like every 48 hours. But one thing you must know is all of this traffic is laser targeted, because most people watching my videos are looking to buy a product. So this traffic here converts like absolute crazy. So you don't need a lot of views to make a lot of money. My YouTube channel probably makes me anywhere from $200 to well over $1,000 a day on good days. Yeah, needless I say more. And let me show you proof, some of the commissions that I've got. So this is sort of like an invoice for one of the companies I work for. It's in the financial niche. And as you can see in this month, which I do believe was for August 2022, I earned over $10,000. And here's another one. This was the month after. And for this one, I earned $13,000. So as you can see, and all of these sales here were generated from my YouTube channel. You know, no paid traffic, no email marketing, no other social, purely from my YouTube channel. This stuff works. And let me show you, if you do this, what it looks like. So here's one of the products, One Ticker Trader. As you can see, I wonder if I can see it in my invoice. There you go. What you see here, so One Ticker Trader. So these are all of my videos. This is page 1 of Google. I ranked all of these videos for the products that people are searching for. One Ticker Trader, and these are all of my review videos. I dominate page 1, and this is what YouTube SEO and affiliate marketing is all about. All of these videos here review One Ticker Trader, which is the product. I dominate. This is the product here, and I earn 63 sales, pretty much $10,000 for that one product. And with the other products I promoted, $13,000. So this is powerful, guys. You do not want to sleep on it. So with that said, now you know how powerful this is, and you've seen proof. I actually made money from this. Let me give you a quick overview of how this is done. So here's one of my best performing videos. So basically this is one of my review videos for basically this product. This video is, regularly generates me $200 to up to $1,000 a day. I'm going to show you how I use simple YouTube SEO to rank these simple product review videos. So the first thing you need to do when you want to rank a video is you want a really relevant but catchy headline, something that's going to grab someone's attention. But more importantly, in order to rank, you need to put the keyword you want to rank for at the beginning. So basically, if you want to rank for a product, say you want to rank, I'm assuming you might have heard of ClickFunnels before, which is one of the biggest software tools, sales funnel software tools out there. So say you wanted to rank for ClickFunnels. So what you want to do is put the product name here, i.e. ClickFunnels, and then you could either put ClickFunnels review or tutorial, but that is key. When you're starting off, you want to put the product's keyword here, either review or tutorial. So you're telling YouTube that you want to rank for that keyword. And then the second part, the title, you just want to put something benefit driven. And in case of this video, I've put like, this is a financial newsletter. So this is like kind of like the strategy people are really interested in learning about or finding out more about. So just to wrap up, in the title, which is one of the most important ranking factors, you want to put the product name here first, and maybe review or tutorial, and then put something catchy at the end, something relevant to the product. What I do then is basically, this is my affiliate link. I just tell people what to get. I also put it pin it to a comment as well, so it's easy to find. I usually put a really good description, and I weave the keywords I want to rank for in the description up to 3 to 5 times. I put a really clicky, sort of clickbaity thumbnail, which are really easy to make. If you want to create great thumbnails, just use a tool called Canva. You can create thumbnails really cheaply. If you don't want to do it yourself, go to Fiverr and get a graphic designer to do it for you. And then for the tag section, these are the keywords you want to tell YouTube you want to rank for. Just put the product name and any other sort of terms around the product that you want to rank for. And that is basically how you rank YouTube videos. Now, what you want to do when you're just launching your YouTube channel, you don't want to put your links in straight away. What you want to do is upload 5 to 10 product review videos. I know that sounds a lot, but there's all sorts of different ways you can talk about the product. There's probably lots of elements of a product that you can break out into different videos. So what you want to do is upload 5 to 10 product review videos for the product and keyword you want to rank for. That's going to tell YouTube that you're an authority for that keyword. And depending on how competitive that keyword is for that product and how many other YouTubers or affiliate marketers are trying to rank for that product, your videos can be showing on page 1 of Google and YouTube within 24 hours if there's little competition. If there's more competition, it might take longer. Could take 48, 72 hours. If there's a lot of competition, could take 7, 14, 13 days. But usually within 5 to 10 videos, your videos will start ranking for that keyword and you will start getting buyer intent traffic. Now, after about 10 videos, say 5, 10 videos, then you can start adding your affiliate links. Because the problem is if you add your affiliate links straight away and your channel's new, YouTube won't like it because it thinks you're being spammy. So it's very important that you don't add your affiliate links for at least the first, I would say 10 videos. Once you got your 10 videos up, you can do 1 video a day. So within 10 days, you've got 10 videos up ranking for your product review keyword. Once you've done that, then, if they're starting to rank, then add your affiliate links. And that is the basics of how you do YouTube SEO. Exactly what I've told you. Now, some other ranking factors that are important. If you can get people to watch more videos on your channel, that's great. So maybe create a playlist that you add to the end of your product review videos. Also, watch time is really important. So when you create your video for the first time, create a really interesting hook in the beginning, and also have like a really good hook or an incentive so people stay and watch the end of the video. Because if you can get 50% watch time on your videos, YouTube's going to recognize that and they're going to rank your videos better. Also, when you record your videos, ask people to like your videos if they enjoy the content, because the more likes you get, the more YouTube's going to push your videos and the better your videos are going to rank. And that is really the basics of YouTube SEO. Now, there is a little bit more to it, but if you follow what I've shown you, then yeah, it's not hard. It really isn't hard. I mean, I'm by no means an expert of it. Like I said, I learned Paul Murphy's course. Now, I don't implement everything that he does, but you don't need to. You just need to, all you need to remember, it's a simple checklist. Title, you want the keyword you want to rank for in the beginning, the product term, the product keyword you want to go for. So in this instance, it's one ticker trader, and then review. Create a really catchy title, have your affiliate link in the beginning, create a good description, but weave in the product keyword you want to rank for 3 to 5 times in the description. Create a great thumbnail, add your keywords you want to rank for in the comment section. That's great. Do that. Upload 5 to 10 videos to your YouTube channel, all ranking for the same keyword. Once you've done that, add your affiliate links and you are good to go. And the beautiful thing is you can do this for multiple products and you can have as many YouTube channels as you want. So really the earning potential of this is pretty much limitless. In terms of recording videos, you don't need to be on camera. You just need a screen recording software tool so you can walk people through the products, help people navigate the product, show the products. You just need a decent microphone, and that is it. You can get a decent microphone for about $50, $60. You can get free screen recording software. So this is very inexpensive to do. I know sort of recording videos can be daunting, but get over it. It is really easy. Once you've done a couple of videos, it becomes a lot easier. You don't need to be on camera. And honestly, once you do a couple of videos, it is easy peasy. So that is basically how you can use simple YouTube SEO combined with affiliate marketing to make huge commissions in 2023. Now, if you enjoyed this video, why not like it? Why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? Now, if you want a deeper dive into how I run my affiliate marketing business and how I only work 10 hours a week as an affiliate, you can watch my training here. This is a masterclass I created called the 10-Hour Week Affiliate. So basically, it's a free masterclass, reveals how I run my affiliate marketing business, working only 10 hours per week, promoting the highest converting products, where I make $200 to over $1,000 per day or more. And you've got a snapshot here, but this masterclass takes you on a deeper dive. So if you want to watch this, I'm going to link to this down below. Let's click this button, enter your email address in, and you'll be taken to the video completely free. I have nothing to sell you in the video. It's pure free content. The only thing I will do is recommend sort of some tools that I use for affiliate marketing for my business that will be helpful for you. So that is it. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you do, why not like it? Why not subscribe? And I'll speak to you soon.